Hi, I'm Mike Barron. I'm the marine biologist and founder of Cape Research and Dive Development, or Cape RADD, in Cape Town. Cape RADD has a two-pronged attack. On one side, we're doing early career scientist training for marine biologists, ecologists, conservationists. And our other side is our outreach and our citizen science programs, where we get the community, the public engaged with science, which help us collect data for our marine projects.
I'm Lucy Hunt. I'm a marine biologist, environmental educator, senior advisor for the Ocean Race on the Summits and Learning programs. We're here today supported by 11th Hour Racing, our founding partner of our Racing with Purpose program, and we're going to go explore the kelp forest.
Kelp forest is an incredible place because you don't just sort of snorkel on top of it, you become part of it, you're inside it, you're surrounded by it. It's a very three-dimensional experience, and it's a great experience for people to understand the ecosystem as a whole by getting in it and being involved there.
This area is known as a biodiversity hotspot. But why do we have these big megafauna? Why do we have these really cool, amazing animals, relatively a lot of them in a relatively small area? Well, it comes down to these two currents on either side of our continent. On the east coast, we've got our Agulhas current, or the Mozambique current. Now, this is a warm water current which pushes down from the equator. And on the west coast, we've got our Benguela current. Now, this Benguela current is mostly a wind-driven current. Our wind is so consistent, so strong, that we can have 25 to 30 metres of an upwelling in a 24-hour period, which just gives you an idea of the shift in the amount of nutrients which is being lifted up to the surface. We've got our phytoplankton, which rises up, photosynthesizes, goes crazy, and the population booms. The zooplankton has then got huge amounts of food to feed on, and that creates these habitats for other invertebrates, and it kick-starts that massive cycle.
A hope spot is a very special area in the ocean that needs to be recognised for the biodiversity and abundance, and then we look for protection for these areas. Mission Blue, they highlight these areas through their communications and their different programs.
Main threats to False Bay, because of the whole coastal development and being next to a big city, pollution is obviously a massive part of this. Further afield, the bigger threats are things like overfishing and bycatch.
So the Ocean Race is an amazing platform. Achieving the extraordinary is in our DNA, really, when our sailors are out in these extreme environments. And we really want to raise awareness of how important the ocean is. So we do that through our learning program. We also have a science program on board. Science informs ocean policy. So we're working in lots of different areas, from learning, science and policy.